recording. Am I live? Are we live? Let's check. Yes, we are live. Alright, what's up, everybody? Can everyone hear me and see me okay?
Discover card? I'm not a customer, but I'm calling about that credit scorecard. Give it?
Can't
Sure,
really make
it's
any
free for everyone.
promises.
Oh.
Oh, everyone's hearing me, alright. Let's check. Yeah, we're live. Alright, so this is going to be the daily crypto market review, right? So I'm gonna try and do these every day, or when I don't have a video in the chamber. So I'm just gonna look at Poloniex and see opportunities and see what I see. So we're gonna let's start with Bitcoin. Hopefully everyone's hearing me okay. If it gets a little choppy, I'm still working out the kinks. I'm not doing this on Google Live. Google Plus. I'm doing this through a streaming app. So I'm just testing it out. Hopefully it works good. I like looking at Coinbase. Base of coins. So as we can see, this is a resistance line I drew up a couple, probably weeks ago. I think I drew it when we were right here. So yeah, there's a lot of pressure keeping it from coming down. And if we could just break above, if we can close above this 780. See, we've broken above it, but we haven't closed above it. If we can break above that and close, it's a very good sign that we're going to 800 and beyond. It's pretty, there's no turning back if that happens. IMO, in my honest opinion. IMHO is my honest opinion. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into some crypts, some altcoins. Alright, so if you don't know, I use a strategy that I didn't come up with this, but I definitely discovered it, found it, and that's called the 1334, where you have this yellow line, which is my 13 moving average, and the 34, which is this kind of peachy moving average. You can set those here on Poloniex. And what happens is when I see a cross, this is the daily, when I see this cross, I want to buy that shit. Oh, sorry, I cursed. I want to buy that, right? So looking at Monero, we got a cross on this candle, and you want it to wait to the close. You want to wait for this one. You kind of want to wait till the second candle closes, because it might cross and then spike back down. It might cross and spike down and then send this moving average back down, right? So what happened here is I actually bought way up here like an idiot. I bought it somewhere in here, sold some of it, and I think I bought it at 0.12. But yes, I'm just holding it, but I can tell we're about to go back up there. And what tells me that is this down here. This is the MACD, And that's another indicator that you should, it's a good one. What happens is a lot of times when this 13 comes down and it looks like it wants to cross, start looking down here, because what'll happen is it'll kind of, it looks like it's kind of like I imagine it like running up a hill, like you trying, all right, say you're at the top of a hill. This is the top, this is a perfect way to explain it on the spot. So let's say you're at the top of this hill right here, and you run down the hill. You got to run down this hill pretty fast with a lot of momentum. See how you got to cross here? You got to run down with a lot of momentum. But if you get another cross right here with a lot of momentum crossing up, it's gonna send it up. So what I'm waiting on now, well, hoping for, because I'm already in. I'm actually holding some that I bought. 103. So yeah, I'm in profit on pretty much everything except for this big huge buy I bought up here, like an idiot. But if this closes or moves up and closes, that'll cause this to cross, and that'll be a very bullish sign, and we're gonna keep it moving up, which most likely is gonna happen because once that 13 comes above the 34, it's really hard for it to go back down. And I'll show some examples of when that happens actually. This crypto fifth stream is not super smooth or only with me. It might not be just you, man, because I need to upgrade my internet service. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I need to upgrade my internet. I'm gonna do that. So, yeah, all right. Let's look at Ethereum Classic. By the way, all these checked off here are the ones that are on my radar. These are all on my radar as far as 1334. We're gonna look at all of them. Try to. So look at what we have here. One day, we have a cross about to happen. Now, just because you see a cross about to happen or a cross happen and it's on this huge spike, don't buy that unless you are willing to probably take a loss. Don't buy it just yet. Wait wait for it to come back. I bought some yesterday at 127, and I've been selling that shit all day. I've been dishing out ETC all day. But that's because I had a feeling. I bought it like right, yeah. I had a feeling. I mean, I wish I would have known like right here, because of what's been going on with the regular, the second Ethereum actually, the old, well, it's hard to explain, but Ethereum Core, I've been knowing that it's going down, and that's going to build up confidence for Ethereum Classic. But I've been selling. I sold all my Ethereum Classic because it's up kind of high, and knowing what I know about chart movements, it's not gonna. I mean, it might go here, it might go here, but after it goes there, it's coming back down because it's look to your left. So this is a huge support right here, or huge resistance now. So the highest it's gonna go is like 1.5 before. So I wouldn't buy Ethereum Classic right now, right? But it is gonna cross, so I will wait for it to pull back, maybe the 132, one of these fibs. Wait for it to pull back and then start loading up. Yeah, but Ethereum Classic is turning bullish. A lot of resistance. See all this. These are people that's bought right here and they're gonna be selling. Factum. Factum is showing signs that it wants to turn around too. I have some Factum. I actually sold my last batch of Factum for a loss because it was moving down and I was losing confidence. But I bought some back kind of earlier. Yeah, I bought some back today, and I sold some. But I got a stop loss, as you can see. Stop losses are very, very, very nice because it's like a little safety blanket. If I see it go to 9.9, like I'll show you how I do my stop losses. I copy this. I put 2.9 because I know if it goes to 2.9, it's gonna keep going down. 2.99, then I put 2.9. If it goes below 2.99, I'm gonna tell it 2.95 like that. Cause if you do 2.99, 2.99, it's gonna skip right over you. So you gotta give yourself some falling room. Not much. Laggy. Move your video. The icon's blocking your face. Icon. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to get this worked out. Ah, okay, gotcha. Boop. Laggy. Let's see if I'm lagging, how bad I'm lagging. Thanks for this feedback, guys, because I'm going to try and make this better. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll check that out later, Kenny. All right, back these charts. So that's how you set up your stop, and I would just, and I just wait. But it looks like we're going to probably come back down and test this. It's probably lagging on the stream, but when I upload it, it shouldn't lag. It might come back down to 30, to a 2.9 something. Bounce off of that and go up. Indeed, can't see. All right, I'll work on it, guys. But probably when I upload it, maybe it won't lag then. So Navcoin is one that crossed the other day. I bought it. Let's see where I bought it. 9. I bought it kind of high. I sold it 6.3. 6.3. What happened? Oh yeah, okay. That probably was a stop loss. Bought it, so I'm holding that because I got a cross. So I'll probably sell this when it. Do I have a stop loss on this? No. I'll probably sell this if it crosses again. If it crosses down, but yeah, I bought it like here. See, I waited for it to pull back. All right. Stellar. We got a cross on that. And let's see where I bought that at. 276. Yeah, I was getting stopped out. Yeah, I should have known. Whenever you see a long tail like this, just set your buys down here. That's what I should have did. But I was like, man, there's no way it'll come back down there. Damn sure did. Folding coin. Got a cross. I think I've been selling this all day. Yeah, I bought this at 123 and been selling that. I still have some to sell. So I won't be selling the rest of this. See, the goal is to buy it and get it up, ride it up so high, sell little bits of it so high that you can sell off the rest of it when it crosses back down. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. So say let's go find an example. That's not a good example. But the goal is to get in down here at the cross, and hopefully it goes so high that you can sell some when it crosses back down, and you'll still sell it for a profit. That's basically what I'm saying. So hopefully this happens. So you don't want to sell all of it, which I did with Ethereum Classic, as soon as I did, I was like, why the fuck did I sell all of it? I was like, it's coming back down. And I just want to take my profit, man. I like taking profit. So hopefully we get this to run up again. Once it breaks out of here, you know. All right, now Steam is like the first example of when it crosses down before you see it run up. And I think let's see where we got Steam. 20, and I sold some of it at 23. Well, no, that's recently. Oh yeah, I think I sold this for a loss. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of trading Steam lately. Yeah, so we got this cross down, but what we gonna wait for is hopefully this breaks through these moving averages and makes a cross here, and we'll continue on our truck along. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. You'll see it later. Hopefully I can upload it. Hopefully it's recording, because that'll suck if it's not. So yeah, I'm just waiting on this to cross, and I'm holding this a little bit. I sold half. I'm gonna keep the rest of it. Syscoin. Oh yeah, this was a good buy. I bought this at 13 and I sold it at 18. That was sweet, as Craig would say. Sold it at 18, 15, 17. And I should set me a stop for like 14. I'm gonna do that now. You know what? I think I'm pretty safe here. I don't think it's coming back down here. So if you were to buy this right now, you would have been kind of late, but you could probably set some orders and put you some stops. Is this bit mark? Looks like it's gonna cross. I'm waiting on that. Dash. Um, it captured the 13. I'm waiting for that. Ethereum. I'm about to just take Ethereum off of this. It's not doing anything for me. Game. Game looks like it's going down. But if we get that, like I was saying, that hill, and we get this to start pointing back up, I'm jumping in. And I think I told that to someone in the comments yesterday. I think that was Kenny that said that. Maybe it wasn't. I said I'll know in a few days. But so far, it's not looking too good. Made safe. Oh man, this one kind of missed me. So I'm gonna keep this one high on the radar. I need to like write these down. This is doing pretty much the same thing Ethereum Classic is doing. Just yeah, just not gonna get in right now. I'm gonna wait till some red candles. Definitely watching it though. Pot. And I'll look at Dogecoin just for you, bro. Pot cross, but I missed it. Oh, you know what? Oh man, I don't. I don't really want to mess with it, because every time I look at the pot coin chart, it's just like, is this for real? That doesn't look too appealing. I was waiting on it to. That's what it was. I was waiting on. I was seeing it here, and I said when it comes back down, I'm gonna buy it, but it never came back down. It did today though. I guess I'll put me an order at 1775 if I remember. Viacoin. I might buy this now. just because, and just put a stop. 3.2. I'm gonna buy this now just for y'all. I'm gonna buy 0.1. That's my new lot size, 0.1. Anything else is just not even really worth it. And I'll put me a stop down here. I like putting my stops below the lows, because if it goes lower, it's going lower. If it goes lower than the low, then it's going lower than the low. That's the best way to explain that. I don't want to buy it at 3.4, do I? 3.4 to 3.1, that's kind of an L. Let's do 3.3. Oh man. Fuck it. How many did I buy? Ooh, I've made some money off of this before. A long time ago. Let's call it 2. So let's do 90097. Take my money. And I'm gonna set my stop at what's the low? 31.40. Say 30. Let's do 30. If it drops below 30, sell it at 298. Sell all of it. Ooh, that's a big L. That's a little bit too low. That's a little bit too much of a L for my liking. That's like a lot. That's like a lot of my. I'm gonna call that. Let's call it 3.2. Yeah, I guess it's all right. 3. I don't care. 3. That's how you gotta be, man. You can't really care for real. Because if you care, you're gonna stress yourself out, man. Don't stress out. Let's do it. Nike. And finally, Zcash. Did he talk about? Yeah, I talked about ETC already. What about Bitcoin? I did Bitcoin already. What about Sys? I think I just talked about Syscoin too. Yeah, Sys is on my radar. I'll show you what I see on Sys real quick. I already bought Sys and I've been selling it, but it's showing bullish. I wouldn't buy it right now though. I mean, if you buy it now, set you a stop loss below this fib, so about 15. And buy it back cheaper, or wait till it hits the fib and buy. I don't know. I don't want to tell you what to do. That's what I would do. But did you meet your wife in Poland? No, I met her here in America. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is showing a lot of pushing upwards. It doesn't want to come down. It's just hitting its head above this ceiling. And once it closes above, see, it's came above here, but it has never closed above it. So once it closes above here, it's going to be a pretty good sign. Pretty good sign. But about that Sys news that you're talking about, yes, I will be selling in 2 days, in 3 days then, because you buy the rumor, sell the news. See, this is a rumor, and in 3 days it'll be news. But that's about it for today. This is cool. I'm gonna watch this real quick and see how it looks. But I got a stop loss, as you can see. Stop losses are very, very, very nice because it's not too choppy. If I see it go to 9.9, like I'll show you how I do my stop losses. Not too bad. I copy this. Not too bad. All right. Anything else you guys want me to look at? Oh, and ETC. I'll look at ETC real quick for you. Ethereum Classic. Nice. It's going back down. I sold it at 3.9, I believe 3.8, and I sold all of it like an idiot. And I wish I wouldn't have sold all of it, but because I think it's on its way back down. Once you get something that's straight buy, you're gonna run out of people buying it. You know, like me, I'm not buying it anymore. I want it cheaper. So guys, I'm learning a lot, and you're gonna be learning with me. Um, yeah, that's pretty much all. Hopefully, I can do these daily, if not semi-daily, but we'll see. Peace.